Mindset 3, commitment and consistency. Earning a seven-figure income is easy for some, but not all. Above all, success comes with consistency and commitment. In order to earn seven-figure income, you have to commit to learning and evolving constantly. To constantly grow is the only assurance that your business will remain relevant for years to come. And if you're not growing, quite frankly, you're dying. As a leader in your company, you need to handle the direction and strategy of the company. Hence, where the company goes is dependent on your vision of the company. A leader can learn and evolve by having the first mindset shared earlier on reflection. Write out your thoughts and feelings and journey within to get to the root cause of your problems. Thoughts lead to feelings. Feelings lead to actions, and actions lead to results. Here's a surefire way to assist you in improving yourself as a leader. Practice Kaizen. This is the practice of deliberate and continuous improvement. It has its origins in Japan and is roughly translated as, quote, good change. The primary focus of Kaizen is to eliminate waste. Following the Kaizen philosophy, you take small steps forward. The fundamental principle of Kaizen is to take incremental improvements over a period of time. It's a process and a long-term commitment, which means its maximum potential is only realized when it's adopted into your personal lifestyle and company culture fully. Here are 4 steps to practicing Kaizen. Step 1, identify an area which you'd like to improve on. It could be in your personal life or in the business. 2, identify small specific tasks that will contribute towards achieving your goal. This is to approach your objective in a step-by-step approach, and the intention is to make it easy so that you'll start in the first place. Refrain from the urge to do many things at once. 3, prioritize your actions. After listing all the possible actions, balance out prioritization with your schedule. If your schedule is packed, then do the easiest action, which requires the shortest amount of time. If you're feeling motivated and have more time, start with the action that will make the biggest impact to yourself and your company. And step 4, create a timeline for each task. The purpose for this is so that each action that you take gradually develops into a habit. This also helps you to keep track of your progress.